Hi students, let me continue with the chapter 12 reflection. So, in the chapter 12 reflection, we had gone through a few problems from exercise 12a and we had started with exercise 12b also. So, we have learned how to reflect on x-axis, y-axis and on origin, right? And we had started on how to draw graphs based on this. So, now let me come to the question number 4. Okay, in the question number 4 we have, let us come to the first question. First, the point -2, 0 on reflection on the line on a line is mapped to 2, 0 and the point 5, -6 on reflection on the same line is mapped to -5, -6. Okay, so the reflection on which line they haven't mentioned. So first sub question we have, state the name of the mirror line and write its equation. So what is the line we have here? So both this is reflected on the same line they are telling. So here what happened, here x-axis changed, here also x-axis is changed. So reflection is on y-axis, reflection on y-axis. So state the coordinate of the image of -8, -5 on the mirror line. So reflection on y-axis happens to -8, -5. What happens to the line? It will become 8, -5. Okay, hope it's clear children. So here we have found which is the on which line it is reflected, and on the same line we have solved the next question of it. Okay, and here we need the equation also. So if reflection is on y-axis, what will be the equation? Equation is x is equal to 0. You know that, right? Now coming to the next question. Question number 5 we have, the point P 4, 1 and Q -2, 4 are reflected in the line y is equal to 3. Okay, find the coordinates of P dash and P dash Q dash image. Okay, so before that let's see, just let me draw a graph for that. Okay, rough graph I am doing. You need to properly do it on the graph. Okay, so if I draw a graph, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be enough. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Okay children, so the first point we have here is P is 4, 1, right? Let me mark. This would be my P, 4, 1. Q is -2, 4. Q is -2, 4. Q is -2 to 4. So the point y is equal to 3 will be like this, parallel to x-axis on 3. So the point, the line y is equal to 3 will be this, y is 3 here, so it will be parallel to x-axis over here. This will be y is equal to 3. So what do we need to find out here is, what they've asked, find the coordinates of P dash, the image of P, and Q dash, the image of Q. Okay, reflected on the line y is equal to 3. So when it's reflected on this line at the same distance, see 1, 2. So here 1, 2, this point will be the P dash. P dash will be what? It will be 4, 5. And similarly Q dash, so here -2, 4 is there, so this will become here. So what will be the point? Q dash is equal to again -2, 2. So you can write your P dash is 4, 5 and Q dash is minus to 2. These are the reflected lines. Hope it's clear. Now let me come to the question number 8. So we have points A and B have coordinates. A is 3, 4 and B is 0, 2 respectively. Find the images of first one, A dash of A under reflection x-axis. So A reflected on x-axis, you get A dash. Correct? So A dash will be what? 3 minus 4. Similarly, B dash of B. So B is reflected, B0, 2 should be reflected on line A dash. So in order to define this, we really need the graph, right? So let us draw the graph now. So drawing the graph, what you get? Randomly I am drawing the values. When you write, it should be a neat graph. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so the first point A we have 3, 4. So let me mark it. A is 3, 4 and B we have 0, 2. So B is 0, 2. So B will be here 0, 2. And where do we have A dash? A dash is equal to 3 minus 4. So it is here. A dash is 3 minus 4. So what is it told? B dash is reflected on the line A dash, right? So let's draw a point. Okay, this is not a proper line we have. You know it. So let me draw a line here. Okay, let it be. The graph is not proper. Okay. So when I draw a line A dash, B dash is reflected on that point line. What do we get here? How many points? 1, 2. So again this side 1, 2. So your point will be here somewhere, right? So it will be 2, 5 will be a B dash. So you get the value of B dash as, second sub question we had, B dash is 2, 5. Now what is the next sub question? A double dash of A under reflection of y axis. A double dash of A. So A was what? A we had 3, 4. Reflection on y axis, right? So you get A double dash as minus 3, 4. Right? Yeah, you get minus 3, 4. And B double dash of B under reflection A double dash. Okay. So A double dash, let me do here, that is 3 minus 3, 4, right? Minus 3, 4 will be my A double dash. So B double dash will be reflected on this line we told of B. So that will be what? Let me write one more point here. So 1, 2. Similarly 1, 2. So your point will be here, right? So B double dash will be what? 0, 6. So you get B double dash as 0, 6. Hope it's clear, children. This is how you will reflect the points on the given line or the reflection on the given axis. Okay, and according to that you may get to draw a figure or find the area of the figure. All that you need to do according to that. Hope it's clear, children. So similar way you can complete this exercise in your classwork and using the graph book also. Thank you, students.